Looks like it's Ford time here. 1969 Ford XL hardtop fastback. Designation would be in the door tag, 63C, and you can also tell by the VIN. So yes, this would be an XL hardtop fastback. Now up here on the fender, you're going to notice a 429 badge right there. This car originally would have had a 390 underneath the hood. Now it's a 429. It is a D0VE-A block, in case anybody's wondering, what would get the casting off that. So it is 429 block. Power steering, power brakes. As you can see, the headlight covers are closed. They do work. I'll open up for you when we start it up and listen to it run. Now, the thing I will tell you on this, as far as paint and some of the previous restoration work, it was not done by a high-end shop or anything like that. This is the way the car came in. I mean, the paint does have a luster to it. You can see up and down the side of that, we got a little bit of wave action going. So it's one of those, drive the way it is, enjoy it, sounds good, or take it to the next level. You want to spice it up a little bit, give it a little nicer body work, maybe a little better paint, feel free to do that. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can look it all over, check out the engine bay, interior, underside, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, that's going to take you right there. Of course, you can give us a call too, 507-386-1726. Riding on an American Racing style 10-hole chrome wheel. And like I said, it does have power steering, power brakes. I believe in these it was front disc up front, rear drum. Now has the center console, as well as horseshoe shifter, bucket seats. The dash pad, yes, that is on there for a reason. The dash does show its age, it's baked some, it's cracked. Has a dash pad on it, dash pad. Headliner, not too bad a shape. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. And we can sure assist with the transportation. Don't forget that either. A few things that go along with this. Floor mats for drivers and passenger side. There are some valve cover Velcro gaskets. And some of the components, this was originally an AC car. I took off the components, I'm guessing when they put in that 429, there's chrome valve covers in that box. Those things will be in the trunk, as well as the jack. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. These are a very popular body style with that fastback, two-door hardtop look to them. But like I said, you get around to this side, you can see the paints. It's not a high-end paint job, body work, anything like that. Like I said, drive it the way it is, have some fun with it, smoke some tires, or want to take it to the next level, make it a little higher-end vehicle. That's your choice. Rear seats, vinyl and everything, appear to be in nice shape. Front passenger isn't bad. We do have a little rip here that's been sewn, and another one in the back rest. FYI, otherwise carpeting, nice in it. XL door panels. Let's go ahead and start this up. All right, neutral safety switch, a little touchy. There we go. So neutral safety switch, a little bit touchy in this one. Once she cranks over, listen to that 429. And again, with that neutral safety switch, I just went into neutral down here. Started for me in park before, but like I said, might be a little touchy with that center console that's been put in. Gas gauge appears to work. I did not have the radio work and windshield wipers worked earlier. Like I said, nice sounding car. Thing's got to have some power to it. And hey, it's a way to get into the classic car hobby without spending a fortune on a $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 '69 muscle car. Round to the back, here to run. slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood. I'll let you check out the engine bay at least and take a look at the 429. Alright, here we go. And again, block casting was D0VE-A. You know that, 429. Power steering, power brakes. See, it's a smooth runner. No doubt about that. And again, some of the AC components, what have you, will be in the trunk when the car is shipped. 1969 Ford XL hardtop fastback. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.